following message is transmitted at the request of the Phoenix Police Department. At approximately 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an unknown white creature has been seen roaming around the streets of Phoenix. This creature is described as a white type of a person, without no hands and legs. It feels in no emotion, and this creature doesn't appear to be hostile at this time. However, if you have any information on this creature, please contact the Phoenix Police Department at 637-238-6312, or dial 911. Stay tuned for more information about this event.